Let me show you simple steps how you can edit the checkout. So to do that, you need to go into settings and look for the checkout. So the first things what you can edit on here is customer contact methods. Do you require mobile phone and email? And what I always also about information, and I always ask for shipping phone, so it's easier for courier to contact the customer when he's doing the delivery. And nowadays you can also do like marketing options or even adding the tipping, and all of these things you can read on the checkout in the settings page. And then you can add pixels and also manage your language if you're doing multiple ones. But if you are selling international wise, use Shopify markets. And then the last step what you can do on the Shopify basic plan is to edit checkout page. Nowadays the checkout page has three steps, but already for Shopify Plus stores there is only one step checkout page where you do everything like shipping, payment information in one site. So but nowadays you can just add a logo and positioning, sizing, and background images and background color if you want to change it to the other one. So these are simple steps what you can do, as you can see here, and then this one, the other another like colors. So just change some colors, edit color buttonings, and so on. You can play around. Not much you can do. So let's wait for Shopify newest update when it comes out one page checkout, and there will also be a Live Out Touch Smart Upsell app where you can super cool here add upsell offers. So just keep up with me on the Twitter and follow, and I will let you know when it's available.